Going into e-commerce to take advantage of the 2 billion plus online customers, but have no idea where to start? Don't worry, we're Stack Intelligence. Doing it all for thousands of online stores as their trusted partner through tailored Salesforce Commerce Cloud solutions. Using our superb range of dynamic e-commerce features our customers enjoy. Seamless shopping experiences across web, mobile, social, and in-store. A single view of customer data for personalized interactions. Scalable cloud insights into customer behavior and sales performance. Multi-channel real-time inventory visibility. Easy access to invaluable round-the-clock support. Ability to tailor the platform through a unique range of APIs and third-party integrations. And when the time is right, global commerce capabilities. What do our customers think? They couldn't be happier. Stack Intelligence, getting the job done properly. Visit us at stackintelligence.com.